Ari's Take Academy is an online education institution. What we do at Ari's Take Academy is empower our students with the knowledge, information, and concrete strategies so they can create successful music careers for themselves.
We were signed to a major label in South Africa. There was a time when it was just going badly.
So when we finally managed to leave the label and start over, we sort of got going and realized, wow, this is hard. We need to be able to apply ourselves to the concept of marketing ourselves. When we eventually discovered Ari's Take Academy, it was very empowering for us.
I discovered Ari's Take Academy, having already been following Ari. I read the book, which was just a game changer. The streaming course helped us to get in front of whole new audiences and people who probably would never have discovered our music. So the awesome thing is that it's measurable. Being able to actually see results right away from the investment you make is just really, really valuable.
All of our instructors are working professionals in the industry, and they bring that hands-on knowledge and experience that they are working through today. We give you practical, take-home information that you can implement immediately.
So I went to Musicians Institute for 3 years. I had been releasing my own original music for about a year. I felt like I'd been hitting my head against the wall and was putting my stuff on the internet and hoping people liked it. ATA transformed my confidence as an artist. I started getting tons of engagement and tons of people interacting with me, and I was like, I know where I'm going, I know what to do.
We have a real community within Ari's Take Academy. If there are people that are struggling with something, most likely another student is also struggling with that, and they help each other out.
Leaving the major label was a feeling, oh my gosh, this mountain that I have to do alone. Whereas now there's this community. Everybody is trying to share knowledge and share information, and there's this feeling like there's enough to go around.
We create opportunities to help you get the support that you need from people across the industry. So whatever you're focusing on and whatever you're in need of, we're gonna help you find that person or that company that will help you advance your career.
I think to successfully navigate the new music business, you need to have an entrepreneurial mindset. Ari's Take Academy gives you a blueprint for how to handle the business side of it, to give yourself the best opportunity for your music to be successful, whatever that might look like.
We started in the old music business and have transitioned and now find ourselves in the new music business. And ATA has been a real key to unlocking how it all works.
In the old music business, you had to give up a lot. Your rights, your ownership, your royalties, your creative control. In the new music business, what we have created with Ari's Take Academy, you don't have to give up anything. You're making an investment in yourself.